place some fling in the clean. Okay, that was cheesy. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Dee from Dee Lovely Life. Today I am doing the Spring Clean Fling along with my friends. I'm gonna list their channels down below. This collab is hosted by Gina Pearson along with my friend Karen at This Manner's Home and Sunday Dawn from The Helpful Home. Let's get started. Spring Clean. Welcome to our home. Well, our dining area, that is. This space is where we eat almost every evening as a family. It needs to be really dusted down after our recent house exterior renovation. Recently, we've been dumping things here that are in a hold until we find a home for them. Thank goodness for this collaboration to get it done today. We still have our winery order in a case that needs to be stored away. We live in California, so what can I say? We're surrounded by local wineries. I hope you get some motivation to begin your spring cleaning. And thanks for clicking on that play button and joining me today. It appears I had missed the last piece of Christmas decor. Don't you hate it when that happens? Come on, tell me in the comments what Christmas item you left out by mistake. I would love to know. Spring cleaning for me includes washing my curtains. I can only imagine how dusty these are. Catching all that dust from construction outside. I was remembering doing my spring deep clean collab in this laundry room a year ago. Since then, I've been enjoying this space much better. Thank goodness for video collaborations like this one. It sure has been making a difference in the household. Speaking of collaborations, join my open invite Declutter and Organize March Madness collaboration. It's on March 18th. Details are posted on my channel's community tab. seriously hate dusting blinds. That's why I don't do these very often. Especially this window. I hate to say it. Ew, look at that. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This window has been an eyesore for many years, but now that we got new windows and house renovation, I'm going to start opening up this window more.
Lights flash in the dark. I know you're coming back, aiming at my heart. And these things never come from me easily, no. But now I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready, ready. Emotions repeating, though it's been so long. I know.
Oh, so much better, so much better.
I wanna spend all our time now, for better or worse. I know the past is gone, and now you're all I want. 'Cause I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up for you. I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up. I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up for you. I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up.
It's like one thing leads to another.
I would, you know that I would. Lights flash in the dark. Just close your eyes and we'll be shooting stars. And you know I can't wait for forever no more. Now tell me, are you ready?
We had a single pane window without a screen for many years here before, so I never opened it or gave it much attention because I was so over it. Then we finally got to install new windows a few months back, and I'm super excited to have this beautiful window to open it and let the fresh air in for once. Can you tell? I'm super excited. I really am.
Give it all up, give it all up for you. I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up.
That's the side that was on the blinds. I'm gonna use this side here. Now, I normally don't really go this detailed in my dusting, but why not fling into it? Get it? Fling into it. Somebody's telling me I need to start throwing some more get-togethers to help drink all this wine. But yes, I still enjoy listening to the old school iPod. Man, I got some classics on here.
Walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day, no matter what anyone does or say. I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. What it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down.
That was completely unplanned. So that's an add-on to the fling, a spring cleaning.
And I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. I am on my way up. I won't slow down, cause I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I I'm on my way. I won't slow down.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet, who you're going
Hey, don't forget to check out the links to my friends' channels in the description box below. Thanks for watching. You can smell how fresh my curtains are because they're like half damp. Oh, it smells so good. And I have the window open. Woohoo!
Because you don't know who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet.
So let's fling into some clean, or let's cling into some, which one is it? Spring Clean Fling, Spring Fling Clean, Spring Clean Fling. Let's get started. Place some fling in the clean. Okay, that was cheesy. Let's get started.
Where should I go?